You're not a failure, you're trapped. There's a difference. Failure means you can't do it. Trapped means you won't let yourself finish it. You write the email 17 times. You redesign the presentation again. You polish the project until it's still not perfect enough. Here's what perfectionism actually is. It's fear wearing a fancy outfit. Fear of judgment, fear of criticism, fear of being human. So you chase perfect, and perfect keeps moving. The goalpost shifts, the standard rises. And you never ship, never finish, never move forward. Meanwhile, someone else puts out work that's 80% as good as yours, and they win. They get the promotion, the client, the opportunity, because done beats perfect every single time. The world doesn't reward flawless, it rewards finished. Your perfectionism isn't protecting you, it's paralyzing you. So lower the bar, ship the work. Let it be good enough, because good enough that exists beats perfect that doesn't. Stop perfecting, start progressing.